Let's learn how to create this. First, we need to add the character images. Go to the Insert tab, click Pictures, and then select this device to choose the images you downloaded from the Resources file. Now select all images and insert. Arrange the 4 images horizontally in a single row. Then, resize the images to fit the slide. With all the images selected, navigate to the Picture Format tab. Now, click Align and select Align Middle. Click Align again, then select Distribute Horizontally. Now right-click on one of the images and select Format Object. Then, select one image and set its brightness to -100%. Repeat the same step for the remaining 3 images. Now, duplicate the current slide 3 times. Now go back to the first slide. Then, select the first image and go to the Picture Format tab. Then, click Reset Picture in the Adjust Group on the Picture Format tab. Repeat the same step for the remaining 3 images. Your final result should look like this. Go back to the first slide and increase the size of the colored image. Then, select the other 3 images and reduce their size. If the alignment isn't perfect, adjust the images to ensure they are properly aligned. Repeat the same steps for the remaining slides as well. Now right-click on the first slide and select Format Background. Change the background color to your preferred choice. Now, repeat the same step for the other slides. Now, add titles and text to the slides. Go to the Insert tab and add Text box. Add the description text under the title. Now, repeat the same steps for the other slides. Now, select all the slides and go to the Transitions tab. Now, apply the Morph transition. Now everything is done. Let's see the result. So that's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any issues during the process, please leave a comment below. All resource files are added in the description. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.